In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Logitech K580 keyboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the K580 keyboard from Logitech or any other model, you will be able to perform a specific combination of buttons to reset it. So this will reset all of the devices that are connected and any other user settings that you might have changed. So this can help troubleshoot connectivity issues or any other problems that you have. In order to perform this reset, you will have to press 6 buttons in quick succession. So you will have to press Escape, O, Escape, O, then finally Escape again, and then this time you press B. So in order, press Escape, then O, then Escape again, O, and then finally Escape plus B. You don't need to be very fast about this, and you don't need to hold all of them. Press Escape and then in fairly quick succession, O, then Escape, then O, then Escape, then B. What this will do is it is going to restore all of the settings, so you will see the LEDs on these keys especially blink. So if you have it connected to multiple devices, all of them will be reset and you will have to connect them again. But the point is, this will help you fix any sort of connectivity issues and other problems attributed to this keyboard, and it can be easily done by pressing Escape O, and then Escape B. This will work with other keyboards from Logitech, such as the Pebble model keyboards and any other one that has this particular fashion of being a work keyboard primarily. The gaming keyboards from Logitech might not work, but regardless, for the K580 and other models, it will work flawlessly. So press Escape, then O, then Escape O, then Escape and B. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Logitech K580 keyboard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.